Hello, Mr. Malo here, your online math teacher, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to make pie charts or pie graphs, whatever you want to call them, in Microsoft Excel. So continuing my video series on Excel. So if you find this video helpful and you like it, consider smashing the like button and subscribing, and let's go. So before you even begin making a pie chart, I want you to make sure you have data that makes sense to display in a pie chart. Remember, or your percentages need to add up to 100% in pie charts. Say in this video here, I'm showing you some data that I've put into Excel where my students have said what their favorite colors are, for instance. So each student's answering one time. You wouldn't want to make a pie chart, for instance, if we were just listing what pets everyone had, because everyone can fall into more than one category. The percentages will add up to more than 100%. So make sure you have the right type of data first. Now, you'll notice I have two different tables. I have a frequency table set up and a relative frequency table set up. The reason is to highlight Excel does not care if you convert your data to relative frequency first before making your pie chart. So I'll show you that by trying to make one with both of these. Now, if you want to make any sort of chart, once you've entered your data into Excel, get your little white plus sign, and then highlight the data you want to turn into a pie chart. So I'm going to do it with my frequency table first. I'll then go to the insert button, and now I have all these different option choices here. So what I'm going to do is I don't want bars. I don't want these, but I'm going to hit the one with the pie here. Now, it gives you options for different types of things. Never pick the 3D pie charts. 3D graphs are a bad idea. It's misleading. We're just going to stick to the nice old 2D pie chart. So you click the button that looks like a pie, and you can change your backgrounds. It gives you a lot of different things. This one's kind of neat because it shows you what the percentages are on top of it. So that's kind of cool if you ask me. And the even better thing is they match those relative frequencies we have up there. It automatically gives you a key when you do this. Now, you're probably going to want to rename your chart. So I'm going to put fave color. So that's great. Now, and I did that just from the frequency table. If I then go and try doing the exact same thing with my relative frequency table, I could highlight it, go to insert, click on my pie shape button. Again, I'm going for a 2D graph. It looks exactly the same. And if I go click that same thing, it gives me the same graph. The only difference is now it's trying to label it relative frequency. Again, these are just default things that Excel wants to call it. You can rename it whatever you want, but you can see the graphs come exactly the same when I make them. So you don't need to go through the effort of putting it into percentages. Leave it in your counts. Just make sure the data you're going to make a pie chart with is appropriate to do so. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. You can play around with a lot more of these and find weird things you can do with it, but I'll let you do that on your own. This is just the basics. So if you found the video helpful, smash the like button and have an awesome day.